Yeah, angel. Yeah, shit. What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say IJBO, you say Sisiijebu'scorner.
Hello my lovelies, good day. How are you all doing? I believe you are good, beautiful, handsome. So welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. This is Jebu Girl. So to my old subscribers, I sight you, I see you. Thank you for always believing in me and supporting me always. And to the new subscribers, I welcome you to this community and to this beautiful, awesome and amazing channel. So in this video, I want you all to get some popcorns, some soft drink and some wine. So I want you to sit back, relax and enjoy this vlog. Thank you.
Yeah, shit. What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say IJBO, you say Sisiijebu'scorner. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, kitchen. Taking over the world right now. Taking over the world right now. War right now. Yeah, we taking over the world right now. War right now. We taking over the world right now. We taking the world right now. We taking over the world right now. The world, the. Yeah, shit. Yeah. What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say IJBO, you say Sisiijebu'scorner. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, kitchen. Taking over the world shit up.
Lovelies. There is a lady on YouTube. She's a YouTuber. Her name is Wangwa Kantogo. She's a Kenya YouTuber. I learned a lot of things from that girl. I learned a lot from her. She has been my mentor, my teacher, my coach. Even she's not, we don't see face to face. I learned a lot of things from her. So this is my jotter. I want to jot down my daily goals, what I want to achieve today in my jotter. I learned this from her, that whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to do, it could be weekly, daily, yearly, monthly goals. And I do yearly goals. Let me not say I don't do yearly goals. I do yearly goals, I do weekly goals, I do daily goals. So this jotter is for my daily goals. So if you see me looking down, I'm writing what I want to achieve today. So I don't want to, I'm writing them down so that I don't want to skip or, go out of point of what I've written down. So if you see me looking down, I'm writing my goal for today. So it is good to write your goals. It could be daily goals, it could be weekly, it could be monthly, it could be yearly. It is good to write your goals down so that you will not deviate from your goals. And whenever you write your goals down and you want to do any other thing apart from your goals, if you have a jotter like mine, you can quickly go through your jotter and see what you have not achieved for the day. So that is what I'm writing down. So they are all written down in my jotter. I've written them down in my jotter. I learned a lot of things from that girl, even though she's younger than I am. She's like a 31, 32. She's younger than me, but I have learned a lot of things from her. That girl has been my motivator. I won't lie to you. She has been my mentor. She has been my teacher. And I love her videos very I love her channel so very, very much. Please, if you have not subscribed to her channel, please do so. Or go through her channel and you'll see what I'm talking about. She doesn't know me in person, but she's just my mentor from afar. I'm learning from her from afar. So I've written them down. Hello, lovelies. I ordered some products on Instagram and I want to show them to you. So give me some minutes. Let me get them. I kept everything inside this my bag, my beautiful bag. What is these 3 Avon products? They are footworks. Therefore, this one is the pedicure cream. This one is the overnight renewal cream. Why this is the cracked heel cream. Can you see the 3? I ordered them on Instagram from Avon. They are so beautiful. I'm in love with them. I love them. I bought them in order to pamper my foot. I want my foot to be looking succulent and fresh. I bought these ones too, from Kiyome. They are Kinoki cleansing detox foot pads. So if you don't want to take all those turmeric, ginger, garlic and lemon drink, you can use this. So this one is 10 in a pack. I have 10 of them in a pack, and this one too is 10. I have opened it, but I have not used them. I have not used any one of. Can you see? I have not used any. I have 10 pad here and 10 pad here, making 20. What I will do is that I will just wrap them on my foot, and they will detox my foot and my whole body for me. I ordered them on Instagram from Kiyome. And the last thing I ordered, the face masks. I've ordered for 2. They are for the face. I want my face youthful, succulent. I want to turn my face to a baby's face. So those are the things I ordered for on Instagram. So the handle are on the screen for you all to go purchase yours on Instagram. They are so beautiful. I love what I purchased. I love my purchase. I love them so much.
Yeah, Sisiijebu'scorner, 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 oh no. I did not spice, ball in your eyes, down in your stew, mixing it up with the rice. Open salad, we found oil, on how you do it, I'm alive. Let's cook some chicken peppers. I saw make is necessary. And in the meantime, just subscribe, it's kitchen time. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Tune in and watch how they cook up. You want to learn, then you turn up. Turn on the light, turn on the fire. Let's cook this food together. Let's show some love together, together, together. Welcome to Sisiijebu'scorner. Welcome to Sisiijebu'scorner. Welcome to Sisiijebu'scorner. Welcome to welcome to Sisiijebu'scorner. Welcome to Sisiijebu'scorner. Welcome to Sisiijebu'scorner. Welcome to yeah, shit, oh. Yeah. What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai, walai, oh, walai. This kind chef no go replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, Sisiijebu'scorner, you say Sisiijebu'scorner, When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, Sisiijebu'scorner, kitchen, oh.